Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In this tutorial, we're going to show you how to unpublish a Facebook page in just a few easy steps. Whether you want to temporarily deactivate your page or just hide it from the public, I've got you covered. So let's get started. So the first thing that you need to do is open Facebook and then make sure that you're logged in onto your account. Now, you need to switch from your personal account to the Facebook page that you want to unpublish. To do so, click onto your profile icon here onto the upper part, and you should be able to see in here all of the pages that you have onto your account. If you're not seeing the page here, click on see all profiles and you should be able to see all of the pages there. Right after, click onto the page when you want to go ahead and unpublish. For example, I want to unpublish this. So it should go ahead and switch. Wait for that one. And once you're already onto the page, tap on your profile picture here. And then right after, scroll down and select Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings again and should go ahead and open something like this. So in the Settings menu, we need to find something in here wherein it says Access and Control. So should be able to find that over in here under your information. So click on Access and Control here. Then right after, you should be able to see Deactivate Page. This is just temporary and the page will be disabled and its name and photos will be removed from most things it shared. So you can reactivate this page anytime. So this is the step on how you unpublish as well. So just click on Continue. Right after, it will ask you to type in your password, click on Continue, and then you'll just have to go ahead and put in the reason for leaving. Once you're done with this, you'll just have to click on deactivate again to finalize the deactivation or the unpublishing of your page. And that is just basically it. Your Facebook page is now deactivated and also unpublished. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.